I love, yeah.
You feel so far away, though you're close.
It matches my outfit.
That's what you drink.
I wanna know.
No, my heart,
I wanna know what's inside that heart of you.
This is the first time I'll be making a hot soup for my husband.
I feel paper
These are gifts.
When will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You
Have some cocoyam here and
you're hiding something. Do you let
replica. I mean, I'll be smelling nice and looking nice.
I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy?
Taking my soup.
Far away, though you're close. Where's your heart? I don't wanna know. A penny for your thought.
And strange. Our room. This AC seems so loud, Sha. I'm having pear. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. Yeah, this is the kitchenette area, and we've put some of our stuff on the counter already. Yes, open, please help me open the door. And we'll have the fridge and the washing machine. We'll have a nice... No, I don't think this. Thank you. So there's this gorgeous table here, and this beautiful lamp. Once you just...
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside of me. Oh, I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space.
We had to get extra days, and you have anything to say to the camera? And they said somebody had already booked it for today, so we cannot have it again. It was nice. I think it's the biggest one they have here. That one.
It's from your mother and I. Must be the mom's idea though. While you were on honeymoon, your mom and I got busy. We bought the house next door.
Oh my God.
Going to the neighbor's son.
Wow. Oh, this is so generous of the both of you.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's crazy. Psycho.
But hey,
She wants us to move in next door. I mean, what's the difference? We're not living with them.
wait. So you're suggesting that we move to another state because you're trying to get away from her?
Of course. I'm trying to install my hair. This hair is beautiful, but it takes such a long time to get ready. Like to get it ready to be filmed. This is my makeup. I did something very lightweight and very simple.
That's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you.
They'll be turning off the gen soon, which is sad, but there hasn't been light all day and they've been running the gen. I don't know what I'm going to do because I literally booked here because of the 24-hour light. So anyway, I want to try and film what we can now before they turn off the gen, and we'll see what we can do tomorrow, or hopefully they bring light earlier, because that's why I even go ready. If I knew they were turning off gen after laying my hair, I would have slept now. just finished working and my husband's bestie just came. Okay, he has not seen him in 5 years, so they were really just catching up and they really just left now to have fun while I'm left on my own. I just saw these books. I was actually reading one in the other room. It was about money, how to make it, how to have it, and how to give it. But I didn't finish that time. I have to look for that book to buy because I can't carry it there. This one is the Solomon's Secret, 7 Principles of Financial Success from King Solomon. History Wealthiest Man. It said, O King Solomon, that you know over 3,000 proverbs and sayings. I have learned so much in my years, and God has given me great wisdom. I will share some of that with you, but you must promise to listen and heed my words. Will you do that? Yes, O King. Then let the lessons begin. Nowhere but up is this one. And when you hit rock bottom, you have nowhere to go but up. My phone is ringing. It's my husband. I love this. Hi, baby. Obim. My love. Baby. Hello. Can you hear me, my love? Obim. Network is bad. I'll be right back. Let's unbox some things with you. Okay, he's asking me what he should get me. Just want to eat rice. I don't know if I want chicken. And rice and, should I say chicken or suya? Rice and some gizzard suya. Some cabbage. I've ordered my dinner. So I'm sure they'll get it for me. This 0/10 recommend. Like, I would not recommend this at all. It's very hard. It's not like the one I remember at all. It's not even as sweet as the one I remembered. So yeah, it was a waste of money. I have package, okay? You know, because this place this long to kind of work. We've been here over a week now. I have to go back home because work is calling. And I didn't bring all my memory cards. Just to open the leather. And I'm a Nivea girly. You already know I'm a Nivea girly, okay? And this is what the bag looks like. Nivea is working with your girl again. Nivea is working with your girl again. Okay, it's because this is a deodorant brand. They're trying to... My husband knocking. Who is it? Is someone there? Who is it? I'm not going to open the door for anybody if they don't answer me who it is. Let's post it on Instagram and you butterflies are blowing it up. Yeah, let's open this. So it's not really an opening. This is what the box looks like. And am I not supposed to have the black pearl? Pearl and Beauty Soft and Smooth Pearl Extract. So it's their new deodorant. It's not actually new, it's been in the market, but they're trying to reintroduce it, you know. And because you butterflies made working with them the first time a dream, they came back to work with your girl. And this, I've heard such good things about it. Let me see what it smells like. It has this very cute what do you call it, the nozzle, right? So you open it like that, no? And let's see the spritz. Ooh, that's strong. That's very strong. Ah, it smells nice. I'm going to choke myself here, am I not? It smells really nice. Doesn't leave a white cast. That's nice. Oh, that smells so nice. Then they have the roll-ons. I'm going to have to try these out tomorrow. But it's the same pearl extract. I think they didn't send me the black one. And I need the black one to work. film. Pearl extract and avocado oil. So they basically say the pearl extract is to give you soft, smooth and beautiful underarms. So yeah, it's an antiperspirant. They both are. Please buy antiperspirant for yourself. Okay, I'm sure even when my husband sees this, he wants to use it with me as well. I'm going to go and watch my movie and wait till when dinner comes. Probably would edit a hair video because yeah, it's long overdue. And I posted a vlog yesterday. I'm so happy. I don't know if I mentioned, but I posted a vlog. So yeah. Let me see if my sister is online. I'm gonna call her. Even my brother, I need to call him. I saw something online that you should try to set reminders to call your siblings, especially when you guys don't live together, every 3 days. And I think that's such a thoughtful idea. I've been doing it because, you know, life and adulthood can really happen sometimes, and you just forget each other, and it's nice to keep in touch, you know. This is the wine I'm having, in case you were wondering. It is so nice, it tastes so good. Me and my husband found out about it when we were dating. Asconi Agor liquor red wine, produced from natural grapes varieties, brought up in the Republic of Moldova. Yeah, really nice drink. So my sister will pick up soon and we'll just catch up. I'll see you later, my loves. Okay, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to go now. Bye.
Catch me in my feelings so when I'm feeling down, feeling low.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax.
Good morning, my loves. My husband has sent me out in the wild to go and buy us breakfast. He said he has been going since we got here.
For the past 7 days, I'll go out and buy us breakfast, lunch, dinner. For her to just go out one day, and it's not even far, it's just like down two streets to go and buy us food. She's crying.
This life is beautiful. No matter what.
Yeah, shameless. Shameless. But she still has to look beautiful to go out though.
I can't carry her net and go out now.
Why not? Why not?
I'm a babe.
Are you better than all the Lagos girls?
Lagos girls don't go out with her net.
Well, it's bonnet. It's bonnet
And
people
those
go out
babes
with.
are set in Lagos.
It's
so they will
Kaduna
not
girls
even
that
try.
go out with hairnet.
Kaduna girls don't send. You guys don't rep me well. But Lagos babes, you will see them. They are always set.
Bonnet and Crocs everywhere.
I love my Crocs. That is
With
what I'm
long
actually-
lashes.
I'm actually wearing my Crocs just in case I need to step for long on this hard task that my husband has sent me on.
Any young man
Replica. I mean, I'll be smelling nice and looking nice.
Any
If
young
you don't
man
want
that
anybody
look
to
at
talk
you.
to me,
Show them my picture. Tell them I'm a killer.
let me come and remove it from my DP. Let me go and buy food, okay? I have so much work to do, but somehow I've not been feeling so like hyper. So let me go and see if buying food will make me feel better. Open my breast.
The access key.
Leave my breast
I can
alone.
grope.
Leave my boobs.
I will grope.
Leave my boobs
I
alone.
will grope. Plus the nyash. I will grope.
Leave my boobs alone. Let me go, baby.
Access key.
Let me stop recording. This is from Lippies by T. I love it so much. I'm going to go in now.
No.
Are you sure you don't want to take this opportunity to go and buy the food?
I love you.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
How was your adventure?
Don't talk to me.
Why?
I'm stressed. Look at how I'm sweating and he said the place is closed.
It's closed now.
Don't talk to me. Is there like a 7 feet or 8 feet tripod? Because like when I'm adjusting this one to the last 6 feet, it's like you cannot even stand at that 6 feet. It's very... You know how much I spent there? 20k. That is why I like you to go, because you're more like
Actually, just food and
strict with.
water.
I bought extra food for
and
later.
water. Hey, it will still not get to 20k. Let me see what you Okay.
I bought
Water.
3 of those. I bought spices. These are quite hard.
Have them.
No, they are quite hard to, don't even do that. They are quite hard to get in KG and they are finished. Do you see my spice cabinet?
So you bought Italian, one oregano, and which one is this one?
Yeah, Italian is the one I use mostly for all my pastas and stuff. Yeah.
That's true.
Italian pepper. Don't touch it, because you finish it with Indomie.
And I know the one that says.
Let me not also see your hand on my Pringles. See my Pringles. Not dying, Jesus. I got a fada rice. The guy wanted to waste pack because he put this other one. The other one. Yeah, it just seems cold. And I bought a bunch of sauces for your father. I also bought jollof rice with plantain, porridge yam. Are you not hearing the varieties I got? You're acting like you're not interested. The porridge yam smells nice. I might have that actually and eat to your father later. And then I got jollof rice again, just to have extra. I got fish. I got fish roll. The fish roll looks quite nice, but I need to go and wash my hand before I eat it. So yeah, that's my food haul. My table looks so okay. I've set it all out. I'm going to eat. If my husband wants to beg me, he'll beg me. If not, all of them is for me. Baby, which one do you want to eat? Do you want to try your father? Should I microwave it for you? You like only my father? I think you should give it a try though. I should have actually asked you. I just assumed you would like to try it out. Take your love rice, baby. There's plantain. Do you want fish? My loves, I'll see you later. Let me just have breakfast so I can get my body shaking to start working. Okay? See you. Operation Breakfast getting secured.
So crazy. Free.
There is no village girl.
Village girl inside you trying to come out. You are possessed by village girl spirit.
Babe, what do you?
Why you be speaking like the most fluent grammar, then one emotic, this will just come out. These are the options. What? Option for what? I don't understand.
Babe!
It's the truth. You don't be speaking like Queen's English. Next thing like, we can do this, but the situation. I'm like, what?
Priscilla says this thing a lot about me. Baby, stop.
Excuse me, what's happening right now? What did you say?
I just said option.
Option to do what? Option.
I know it's option. I corrected myself. You have to drag me back.
Yes, because again,
I tried to move past it, like let nobody talk anything. He rewind it back. What did you just say?
I swear, the thing catches me off guard.
I should not have accepted that I said it.
Let's go and buy stuff.
Yeah, we're off to the supermarket. I'm wearing my babe bronze pink. Show my outfit, baby. That bag no scattered.
Please let it be scattered because we're leaving soon.
We need what, baby?
That's a red dark.
I turned
Okay, you
off.
turned off this level.
I turned off all of them. Yeah. Should I take the card? Please.
Yeah, of course.
Do we have water? Let me take water.
Shout out to our Airbnb super host.
Drink water.
Casa. A swallow and more. Please give me. Did you not be? What is wrong with you?
I like water now. Is that bad?
Normal swallow speed is group. See.
What?
But they drink water shower. Where the other one?
Should I bring it? Do you want it?
No. When we come back.
No.
I'm just thinking if I'm going to have water when I get back. That's what I'm asking.
We can buy more now.
Where you've ravished 2 adult bottles.
Are we not going to the supermarket?
Thank you, bro.
How I think it's not here today.
Which one?
This is any lemon tea. You want to try? Oh, I don't need that big.
Okay.
It's too big.
No, and it's also for, it's not a drink per se. It's usually for.
Should we get these? The other ones are not here. The ones we liked is not here.
Those
Should I try?
That one is nice. Had it.
That lemonade one, I like it though.
Lemonade, oh, okay, it's not here.
It's not here, right?
There's one that I saw. No, it's not here. It's not here.
Ah, this one is nice. It matches my outfit.
That's why you drink it.
Yeah. Do you need Monster?
No.
I got fun. I get.
This was where I got the
It's spicy. Spicy.
I don't know if we should get more. Wear face mask. Oh, 2 more Arizona there.
Yeah.
I'll be rich till I die. Say after me, I'll be rich till I die.
You want to buy ice cream?
Yes. I want.
What toppings?
I don't know. Hello, good evening. How do you sell it? It's only in cones. Eh? Do you sell it in cups or in cones only? Oh. Okay, there's cup and there's...
Yeah, you can get now.
I wonder what cup they use. We're waiting for our pizza. My baby ordered pizza for us. This is my ice cream actually. This place might be loud. The toppings, they did not put it well, so if you can hear me, this is my ice cream. They did not put the toppings well. But I got Oreo and strawberry. Do you want to try? Chocolate. You like it?
Not bad.
What are you focusing on the table when the ice cream is in front of you, Sha?
It's a mini goose running around.
Be right.
That was where I was when I called.
That's what pizza looks like. Yummy.
It's not a beer.
Finalizing. Ooh.
Everything just...
Slido. It's still very hot. We're back, my loves. My hair is super late, but I need to take it off because I want to use another wig tomorrow. This my lip is the unofficial lip combo. I have kissed a bit, so it's been ruined a bit, but I really love it. Like it's so pretty. I would usually not do this kind of combo, but like there's a tutorial on my Instagram. I just filmed. I would have posted it by the time this video is going on. I want to take off my makeup and have a shower. And she's like a girl's best friend. I love using this from Wishful to take off my makeup. It's the microfiber towel thingy. I'm wiping off my lipstick first. I love how after a full day of wearing lipstick, I just carry this. My makeup is still so intact. That Younger Beauty foundation is so good. Like this is hours and hours and hours. Like it's the only thing I traveled with for this trip, and literally just look at just good. So the key ingredient is deodorant. This is so good. If you can get your hands on the original one, it will help you just get rid of like everything without stress. So I'm going to use this to wash my face with this. It literally just takes off your makeup very softly and in one like swoop. Even down to your eyeliner, I get all of it out. That's how you get every last drop of makeup off your skin. So I'm going to go have a shower now. Most of the things I use are waterproof and you can't really take off makeup in the shower. Me, I don't like to do. I like to take it off very well and as gently as I can. So I just shower. Yeah, I'm washing this now. And I'll rinse it with hot water. Like, instead of wasting a lot of money on wipes, you know, I'm honestly of the opinion that you should invest in one of these from Wishful. Trust me, and it deep cleans your makeup and it exfoliates your skin as well. I want to show you that there's no makeup on my face again. So, isn't that nice? Okay, I'm gonna have my shower now. You can't come, sorry. Bye. Hi my loves, good morning. I just finished praying. I'm trying to work out. I know I told you I normally dance workout. It's quite... This is a playlist I like to dance to. These are the selections. So sometimes I dance to Christian music and sometimes I dance to Christian music and sometimes I dance to secular music depending on the vibe I'm feeling. But to be honest with you, sometimes the wording in the secular music has my brain thinking like, what's this? Why are you saying this? Why am I dancing to this? Does that make sense? Whereas when I'm dancing with the Christian music, it feels like I'm actually praising God with the movements my body is making. So yeah, I'm just trying to let you know that I'm still in that process of figuring out all of that for myself, you know, like I'm not going to do what anybody tells me to do. I'm doing it for myself. So today we're going to dance to, I like Davido songs, and there's this mix I like here, or I'll just go to my own library if I don't like their selection. I listen to them on Spotify.
Really like me, just go feed your I'm in the love of your life, when you're looking for a girl that you want to define.
Anyway you want go, I'll take you there. With no fear, we can dine uptown.
My loves, yeah, quite late. I just got ready for dinner and I'm wearing Hey, I'm not sure if you can see me, to be honest. I'm wearing cargo pants from Anari Fashion, really nice, and I'm wearing this blouse as well from Anari Fashion, really nice. These are my shoes, silver pumps. They look so nice. I wish I could show you. Can you stop hitting me? My phone is ringing. Where's my phone? Oh, yeah. Can you hear my phone ringing, baby? No. Phones.
Please try again later. The customer
They look very cute, but I cannot.
Please try again later.
I cannot. Sure, you just called me now. I cannot show you what it looks like, okay? And then my bag. We leave tomorrow. Boys. Hello? Yes? Hello? My bag. It's my Balenciaga bag, of course. These earrings are from Olama NG. I really love them. They're so pretty. Just hoops you cannot even really see. And my, you know, my outfit is done, to be honest. Have to go now. We're leaving tomorrow, like I said. Thank you for watching this vlog, okay? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Leave me comments, tell me your favorite part of this vlog. We're just super chill and a lot of work. It's literally now that we're trying to have fun. Okay, so give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.
If, for example, you're buying maybe some skincare products or some beauty products for, like, basically, how do you think we can go about it? Like, off the top of my head now, I'm thinking, of course, we're going to ask you for your risk guide after
Videos on my feed on YouTube or Instagram. I have a more like personal relationship, I feel like, with my audience on YouTube.
Alright, great. Then we can do YouTube. So that, I don't know how much you post on your YouTube.
It just depends on when. I normally post vlogs and the vlogs do good. So it just depends on when we agree. And then I got some ogiri. My favorite brand of seasoning cubes, no chicken. I smoked a bit of this to add it into my oha soup. Like the things like this that still amp up your flavor. I know that people use normal pepper for soups and stuff, but when I added this into my egusi and it did what it did to the egusi, I resolved to add this always to my dishes. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. So I'm just going to blend this up. That's beautiful. Wow. So yeah, I'll save up that smoky goodness for my soup. These are uziza leaves. I'm about to chop them up. I have some cocoyam here. and I'm going to wash this up thoroughly because they usually come in sandy, and put them to boil so that I can use them to thicken my oha soup. Sure you wash this out properly. I'd forgotten how muddy coconut actually is, so this was a lot of sand and mud. Frankly, I would have gone to do it at the outside drain because there was just so much sand in my kitchen sink. So make sure you wash this properly if you're following my recipe, okay? I'm not going to put in salt or anything. I'm just going to let this cook. Pound it to thicken my soup. I want to soak these and wash them thoroughly before putting them into your soup. Stockfish. I've put the goat meat in here. There's goat meat and there's beef under. I'm going to be using pomo as well and stockfish. The pomo is right here, but I'm yet to thoroughly wash it. So this I'm going to put on the heat right now because I need this to steam and bring out its flavor before I add in any more water. Literally, I'm going to use this for so that I don't need to put anything again through the soup's cooking, and then just turn it and let the flavor of the good meat come out. Uziza seed. I'm going to put it in the meat, goat meat right now. Pepper just took light, so yeah. I don't know how I'm going to show you what I'm cooking anymore, but I'll just continue cooking, I guess. So this is what the meat looks like. The sauce, the water came out and I've let it go back into the meat, so it's now very flavorful. I'm going to add in the pomo and I'm going to add in the stockfish. Ah, my baby. You had to cross oceans? Said an introvert the moment they access their house. Even if it's 1 second out. I don't want to be here anymore. I'm done. I'm done. So the cocoyam is ready. Still a bit hot, but we're just going to peel it and put it into the pot. I decided to come sit outside like I used to do with my mom. And with the oha, you want to take out the stems, the top part, and then rip it up with your finger like this. So you do that repeatedly for all your leaves. It's not a finely cut leaf, so I'm not going to use a knife. You can use a knife for this, to be honest, but this is what it should look like. Chunky goodness of oha leaves. added in crayfish. I'm going to add in the smoked pepper now. I just put in the smoked pepper. Put in the ogiri now. All that pepper, just this is in there. I'm adding in the cocoyam now. This is the first time I'll be making oha soup for my husband. I'm reducing the heat now. After reducing the heat, add in my uziza leaves. These need to cook longer than the oha leaves. And let that boil for about 5 minutes. Then the next and last step will be to add in the oha leaves. Yeah, I wanted my oha really leafy, but that looks beautiful. So cover this for another 5 minutes and we'll serve. It tastes incredible, by the way. Wow, this looks too beautiful. Wow. Wow. Yeah. And this is what oha soup, my first time, looks like. Tastes absolutely delicious. I'll go serve my husband now. Let me know if you try out this recipe, and I'm very proud of myself. This tastes insane. That smoked tomatoes definitely turned up this flavor a lot more, and letting the goat meat and the beef and the stockfish just marinate in its sauce made the beef taste even amazing. And the broth, oh yeah. Toodles, good night.